Hello, I will take care of the drink, which will be a Krua juice. Before starting, I will wash my hands to remove all the dirt and or germs they have. First, I will take the necessary ingredients out of the fridge, which are water, milk, and 5 Kruas. After taking the ingredients out of the fridge, we take the kurubas and remove the pulp to put it in the blender. Then we pour the water into the blender and proceed to blend. Once the juice is blended, we proceed to strain it and add more water to the blender to rinse it and not waste anything. Then we mix the milk with more water and 5 tablespoons of sugar. In my saucepan, I use a small spoon since we use sugar for diabetics. Having already done the above, we mix the milk with the juice. And ready, we can now enjoy our Kruwa juice.
Hello everyone. For the first step, I'm going to tell you about opening this palette. For this palette, I used the following ingredients: mango, banana, pear, and mandarin. After preparing them for shaving, I started by shaving and peeling each of the fruits. The idea for this entry is a small fruit salad, one that that's your appetite. And this is the final result. Thank you very much.